Why Gunpla? Well, building Gunpla uses a technique called focusing attention. By focusing your attention on one thing, such as building your model kit or whatever you're doing with your model kits, it allows your brain to take its mind off of the things that are bothering us, the things that are stressing us out, the things that are weighing us down, things that we may be out of our control even, that just weigh on our minds and just we worry about these things. And so by focusing on this one thing, your brain actually takes a break from those things. And what that does is it allows your brain to clear out the chemicals associated with stress, like cortisol and things like that. So when you build your model kit, focus in on just the thing in front of you, and what you'll find is that when you finish building that for the day, or when you take a break and you're ready to go back to the real world and deal with it, your mind is refreshed and ready to go. Intro. What's going on, everybody? Plasma Therapist here, helping you guys to get the most out of your model kits. Today I'm going over 3 reasons why I build Gunpla and reasons why I think you guys should build Gunpla from a mental health standpoint. Now, I finished our tutorial series getting you guys up and running, ready to go. I did a custom build so you guys get inspired. Now let's talk about the mental health side of things. So we just went over step 1, which is focusing attention. Now let's get into tip number 2. So reason number 2 why I built Gunpla and why I think you guys should build Gunpla is that opportunity for creative freedoms are endless. Now, a lot of people are still snap building, and that's fine. That's amazing. That's great. You're creating something. And when you finish that piece and you put it up on your shelf to look at, you could be like, yeah, I built that. And that feeling of satisfaction of building something is absolutely amazing for your mental health, because it validates you that you are capable of doing something. You are capable of creating something amazing. Before we get into tip number 3, guys, if you like the video so far, be sure to leave a like for me. Lets me know you guys are finding value in the content. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss a thing. And finally, drop a comment down below why you got started in Gunpla. I'm interested to hear all the reasons why you guys got started, or maybe why you guys continue to build. And so that way we can have a conversation about why we love this hobby so much. Finally, reason number 3 why I build Gunpla is that it connects me to a group of people that share the same interests. Over the past several months, I have made so many new friends building Gunpla, talking to them, getting to know them, knowing their story on Facebook, on Instagram, and even here on YouTube. I get to know you guys. You guys can share your builds with me, share your Instagrams, whatever videos you guys have made, share it with me. I want to build these communities, this connection, these friendships, because if we continue to build each other up, we can support each other when we're feeling at our lowest. There'll be times when you guys feel down, there'll be times when I feel down, and we just need to rely on each other to be able to continue going, continue growing, and just never stop building and enjoying this hobby. So there you have it, guys, my 3 reasons why I got into building Gunpla and why I continue to do it. I hope you guys found some value in this content. And remember, drop a comment down below maybe about why you guys got into the hobby. I'm doing this in collaboration with Rising 8 Minis. He's going to be talking about how he got into miniature painting. It's a great skill that I've brought back to Gunpla with me. And I think if you're into that sort of thing and you want to learn how to paint minis, go check his channel out and learn a few things from him about color theory and whatnot. But guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found some value in this content. And remember, take care of yourselves, take care of the people around you, and I'll see you in the next one.